Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel eSport News. Today I'll show you how to make transparent background in Photoshop. First, open Photoshop, then File, select Open, and select Picture. Which picture's background will make transparent. Then open, select magic wand tool, then click this white area, then press delete. Or not working, then Control N, select this and background contents transparent, then create, then drag this picture and drop Photoshop, enter, select white area, then delete. There have a message, could not complete your request because the smart object is not directly editable. So when you see this message, go to the layer option and click right button, then resize layer, click here, then select white area and press delete. You can see white area is deleted and background is transparent. You can move this picture anywhere, and this picture's background is transparent. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.